Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you beautiful matte lipstick that I love to use so much. This is the New York lipstick matte finish bold color in the shade 899 More Rust. So I love to use this lipstick for a lot of reasons. First of all, it has a beautiful color. It's matte, so it's not glossy at all, and I love the lightweight feel that I get when I apply the lipstick. So this lipstick specifically is enriched with oils, so your lips will not only have a beautiful color, but they also will be hydrated, moisturized, and they will look and feel soft. It comes in a beautiful package that you can carry in your purse if you want, and yes, you can apply as much as you want. So if you're looking for a beautiful lipstick with a matte finish, I highly recommend this one. This is the New York lipstick matte finish bold color in the shade 899 More Rust. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.